I am Majid Tehrian. I am a businessman here since 1988. Farson Trading is a general trading company established in 1989 in Dubai, and we are doing international business, import and export for last nearly 31 years. In index, I can say almost 90% of the visitors, they are exactly what we are looking for. I can say now maybe 80% of our business what we got during the show. When you are participating or you are visiting a show, if you have a plan for that, you will succeed. Sometimes the people just saying, I want to go to this show. Okay, what you are looking for? I don't know, just let me go there and see what I can find. You will not find anything. But when you know why you are here as an exhibitor or as a visitor, because it is a full plan. What you need before show, during show, and after that, definitely you will get it. The importance of all exhibition, for example, index especially for interior designer and interior design materials. So because the people can meet each other, they can feel the products, because when I give you the catalog, maybe it is just a paper. It looks nice or not looks nice, but when you are there, you will feel it exactly. And depend on the company how they design their own stand during the show, so easily the people can feel what they will get at the end of the day.